Going to start a series on John Deere Gudgeon rear frame and spindles. A lot of it's misunderstood, a lot of misinformation even from the OEM on what, especially part numbers. Part numbers are very confusing on them. We've got them dialed into just a few pieces, if you will, not necessarily part numbers. So anyway, that's going to allow us to help customers understand what their problems are, what they need to be looking at before they buy parts, and if you're going to buy parts, what you need to be looking for. Also, if there are alternatives, which could be, some could be considered upgrades and some could be considered downgrades, but we're going to debunk some of those concepts in this series. So this is we've got a couple of cores. This Gudgeon's bad, this rear frame and spindle's bad, so we're going to be able to show you those items where they go bad. I'm going to try to keep these videos as short as possible so that that content is specifically on whatever we're talking about today. And as customers questions need to be answered, then we can answer them here, and we just continue to add and to build to this particular video series.